Hi, my name is Alyssa, your pronunciation trainer, and I help people who have problems with their English pronunciation achieve an excellent American accent so they can speak English confidently and clearly. Watch the following demo for free to improve your accent immediately. Today we're going to talk about the J sound. Now the J sound is very similar to the CH sound. So if you haven't watched the lesson on CH, I highly recommend that you do so. It's going to help you to make the J sound. The J sound, your mouth is shaped exactly as it would be for a CH. Your lips go forward slightly and your tongue goes to the top of your mouth. Put your hand on your throat and let's do the CH sound together. Are you trying it? Don't be embarrassed. Do it nice and loud. Thanks for watching our American Accent Secrets video. My lessons will help you improve your English pronunciation and sound like a native speaker. You'll find a video for every sound in American English. This is just an example of what you can find in American Accent Secrets app. Download American Accent Secrets for free. Find the link in the description.